Hola, mi gente. It's your favorite immigration lawyer, Angela Rodriguez, with the law offices of Angela Rodriguez, where we help you understand and protect your rights. Today, we're going to talk about something that many people find intimidating, but it is incredibly important. Your rights when dealing with ICE, immigration, and customs enforcement. Whether you're an immigrant or someone who's concerned about the safety of your loved ones, it's crucial to know your rights, especially if you ever encounter ICE officers. So let's dive right in and break it down for you. First, let's talk about who is at risk of being arrested by ICE. The law allows the federal government to deport certain immigrants, and you may be at risk if you are someone without lawful immigration status, or even individuals who have lawful status, like lawful permanent residents, refugees, or visa holders, but who have certain criminal convictions. Now, ICE has certain guidelines for who they prioritize for arrest. These guidelines can change, especially depending on the administration. Under the Biden administration, ICE has focused on a few key groups of people: those who pose a threat to national security, people who unlawfully entered the United States on or after November 1st, 2020, and individuals who pose a current threat to public safety, such as those with criminal convictions or those arrested for charges involving firearms or weapons. However, even if you don't think you fall into one of these categories, it's still possible ICE could target you for arrest. So it's really important to know what to do if you're approached by ICE agents. Now, let's say you're out in public or in your car and ICE agents approach you. This can be a stressful situation, but remember, you do have rights. If ICE tries to arrest you in public or after stopping your car, it often happens quickly. They may call your name and ask you to confirm it. So here's what you can do. Before you say your name or anything else, ask them, am I free to go? If they say yes, then you're free to walk away. You don't have to answer their questions and simply say, I don't want to answer your questions, or I'd rather not speak with you right now. If they say no and you're not free to go, you have the right to remain silent. You can say, I want to use my right not to answer questions, and then ask to speak with a lawyer. You must say, I would like to speak with a lawyer, or I would like to speak with an attorney. Also, if they try to search your belongings, remember, you can say, I do not consent to a search. There are some things you should absolutely avoid doing. Don't lie or show false documents. This can only hurt you in the long run. Don't run away or resist arrest. ICE may use force to detain you, and that could make things worse. Don't answer any questions about your immigration status or where you were born. They'll use anything you say against you, and do not hand over foreign documents like a passport, consular IDs, or expired visas unless they have a warrant from a judge. Next, what should you do if ICE shows up at your door? First, it's important to know ICE agents don't always identify themselves clearly. Sometimes they may pretend to be regular police officers or tell you they're investigating something unrelated, like identity theft. If ICE comes to your door, here's what to do. Ask if they are from ICE or the Department of Homeland Security. Stay calm and polite, but don't answer any questions. You can say, I don't want to talk to you right now. And here's a really important point. If they want to enter your home, you need to ask them for a warrant signed by a judge. If they don't have one, you don't have to let them in. But what happens if they're already inside your home? First, tell them if there are children or vulnerable people in your home, senior citizens, persons with medical conditions. This can sometimes help protect your family members from harm. Ask them to step outside if they don't have a warrant. If they don't have permission, they cannot legally search your home. If they do come in without permission, tell them clearly, I do not consent to you being in my home, please leave. If they start searching your rooms, you can say, I do not consent to your search. If they're arresting you, let them know if you have medical issues or need help with childcare, and tell them that you wish to speak with a lawyer. If you are arrested by ICE, remember, you have the right to remain silent. Use it. You have the right to speak with a lawyer. Don't answer questions until you've spoken with one. Don't lie about anything. It can hurt your case later on. You don't have to answer questions about where you were born, your immigration status, or your criminal record. Simply say, I want to speak to my lawyer. And most importantly, don't hand over any documents like consular ID or passport unless they have a warrant. So to summarize, no matter what your immigration status, it's important to know your rights when dealing with ICE. Whether you're stopped in public, approached at home, or arrested. I know this is easier said than done, but try to always stay calm. Don't lie, and always, always ask for a lawyer. You have rights, and it's our job to make sure you understand them. If you or someone you know is facing an ICE encounter or deportation, don't hesitate to contact us here at Law Offices of Angela Rodriguez. We're here to help protect your rights. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more legal tips and information. Stay safe and take care.